Sometimes your car doesn't get so dirty to the point where you need to break out all your buckets, take it outside, foam it down, wash it with the hose, and take this long extended process to get your car clean. You can simply just come out into your garage with a couple products and make it look amazing just by a quick and simple process. Now, the products I like to use for that is our Waterless Wash and our Detail Spray. But sometimes I want to add a little bit of protection or maybe boost a ceramic coating that is on a car, so I can use Graphene Detail Spray with that. Now, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the process of how to waterless wash your car and then even it all out to make your car look amazing in a short amount of time. On heritage vehicles like this 69 Chevelle, I actually prefer the waterless wash method. Reason being is it's not a daily driver. I don't take it out into the elements like I would with my standard vehicle. I don't let snow get on it. I try to not let rain get on it, but oftentimes there's just mild dust and dirt on the car. So waterless wash for me is the preferred method to get this car clean and looking great. So to start with, we start with waterless wash, okay? Now this formula is amazing. It's a very complex formula and it has a ton of lubricating agents to it. It also has emulsifying agents to it. So when I spray this on here, it's gonna lift the dust and dirt away from the vehicle, and the lubricating agents is gonna allow my towel to glide on the surface, reducing the chance for scratching. So I like to pair this with the waterless washing towels, and we like to keep it simple at Adams Polishes. So they're color coded together. You have purple waterless wash, you have your purple waterless towels. Now, the waterless wash towels are also designed to help remove dirt from the car. It has a waffle weave pattern. So when you wipe, the dirt goes up into the waffle pattern, pulling the dirt away from the car. So this car is actually pretty dirty. It looks like maybe it got caught in the rain. So there's almost some rain spots on here that have kind of gathered some of the dust and dirt together. So with a car that's a little bit more dirty like this, I'll actually use a little bit more of the waterless wash product. So the way it goes is like this. I am going to spray about as far as I can reach. And like I said, I'm gonna use a little bit more product on this car because it's a little bit more dirty than I would like. Now, with my waterless wash towel, it kind of come in a rectangle like so. I like to fold it long edge to long edge once, twice, and a third time. So now I have the towel about as big as my hand. And what I'm gonna do is grab the side where the fold is open. Now, I'm gonna wipe in one direction, and as I wipe, I'm going to roll my hand. What that ensures is that I have a fresh side of the towel touching the car at all times. So I'll lay this on here, and as I wipe and roll my hand, like so, I can pull the dirt off without rubbing it back into the painted surface. So it's as simple as overlapping a little bit, wipe and roll a little bit, wipe and roll a little bit. Like so, okay? Now, one thing I don't want to do is go back and start rubbing the waterless wash away or buffing it away to make the car look perfect, because what I can do is I can leave it streaky, because the purpose of waterless wash is to get the dirt off of the car. Then I can come back with a shine enhancement or quick detailer like Detail Spray, even everything out. Your car is going to look shiny and ready to go for your next outing. So after you've gone through and wiped the car a couple times cleaning it, you're gonna get dirt that comes up in your towel. Now, once you see the dirt in your towel, you can flip it to a fresh side. And once both sides are dirty, then you just fold it onto itself like so. So every time you wipe the car, you have a fresh side of the towel wiping it, so you're not rubbing the dirt into the paint, causing scratches. So now I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna waterless wash the rest of the vehicle, and then I'll come back and I will finish it up with Detail Spray, but we're also gonna talk about Graphene Detail Spray and what makes that product so great. Okay, waterless wash process is done, and it's really streaky, okay? I'm totally fine with that, and that's because we can finish it up with detail spray. Now, this is essentially the exact process I like to do in my garage, or even when I'm at a car show. So sometimes you're gonna drive to a car show, your car's gonna get dirty, a little bit dusty, and when you get out, prep for the car show, once you get in your spot, you can take your waterless wash, clean it, and then do the next step, which is using detail spray and a double soft towel. Now, the double soft towel is the best towel to use with detail spray. It's essentially a 2-ply of our premium plush towels. It absorbs more of the product and actually works better when you're using a quick detailer. So double soft towel, and again, with your towel, it's a nice square like so. I like to set it on the car, fold it once, fold it twice, and now I have it about the size of my hand, okay? Now detail spray you don't have to use as much because we're not trying to get dirt off of the car. A nice fine mist of detail spray, and then there's a wipe technique that I'm gonna talk about here in a second that makes using detail spray extremely effective. So when I use detail spray, I like to spray and move my hand at the same time to get a nice fine mist onto the car, something like this. Just 3 sprays. I have a really nice thin layer of detail spray on here. I take my double soft towel, and now when I wipe, I'm not gonna do little circles. I'm not trying to buff like this. Long, fast swipes, break the product down, even it out, and make it look perfect without any streaks. So long, fast swipes like this. There we go. That looks much better. So it's as simple as getting the dirt off of the car using waterless wash and the waterless wash towels, following it up with detail spray to even everything out to make it as presentable as possible, whether it's in your garage when you're getting therapy, or when you're out at a car show to make it look in its best light to either win awards or show off to your friends. All right, now, another option when it comes to evening out the waterless wash residue that's left behind is using essentially an extension of our standard detail spray. It's called Graphene Detail Spray. It's the same concept. It's a shine enhancement, but it has a protection agent inside of it. Now, the protection agent it has a purpose for 2 different things. Number 1, if your car is not protected at all, you can use this to add some protection, graphene protection. That's a mixture of silica or SiO2, which is a form of ceramic, paired with reduced graphene oxide. And the reason why you pair the reduced graphene oxide is to bolster the ceramic protection to help it last longer and perform better. So Graphene Detail Spray is a great product. Also, if you have a car, whether it's a heritage car or a standard daily driver, maybe it's a performance car like a Corvette ZR1, and it is ceramic coated, you can boost the hydrophobic properties with the reduced graphene oxide and silica within Graphene Detail Spray. So same process, you're gonna move your hand as you spray, get a nice thin mist on the car, and then long fast swipes with the double soft towel. So nice thin mist, 3 sprays again. Take your double soft towel and long fast swipes to break the product down and even it out and make it look perfect. Oh man, that looks great. The thing about Graphene Detail Spray that I love is with that extra protection agent in there, it almost adds like this extra layer of shine. So Graphene Detail Spray is a great product when it comes to doing this process. So again, if you're looking to just get a little bit of therapy out in your garage, Waterless Wash is a great product for that. You don't need a ton of tools. Essentially, you just need Waterless Wash formula with a couple towels to remove that layer of dust or dirt, and then 1 towel with detail spray or Graphene Detail Spray to even everything out and make it look perfect. Now, remember, all of these products are offered at ChevroletAccessories.com, or you can go to your local dealership and grab a bottle for yourself and make your car look perfect.